there is a grain of truth in every lie that stands, because a full lie has nothing to stand on. It's just transparently wrong. Yeah. Anyone who's watching the video can see it's light outside on my end. This is not a Zoom background. I'm in my office. That's real sunlight. If I would say to you, it's dark, that has nothing to stand on. It's dark outside. There's nothing to stand on, right? There's got to be a grain of truth in it somewhere. And so the grain of truth is that business is easy. It takes a minute. There are things to learn. Yes, anybody can do it, but that brain switch of like, well, anybody can do it and it's easy, which means I can do it by next week. That's just not true. Right? Is there someone who could do it by next week? Yeah, there are a lot of 10-year overnight successes, a lot. Pretty much every overnight success you see is a 10-year overnight success. They've been working at it for about 10 years now, and poof,